Hi guys, welcome to the channel.
It's Kanisha the Garden Mama Anchor.
And today
we will be making brownies.
Come along guys and see how we will be making our brownies. All right. Yay! All right. First thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to add all the dry ingredients. Here we have brown sugar, we have 3 eggs, and the eggs are room temperature. We have vegetable oil, we have vanilla. In this bowl here we have cocoa powder, white sugar, salt, and baking powder, and we have flour.
This is flour.
Yes. So first thing we're going to do is that we're going to add the eggs to the bowl. Let's crack the eggs.
You want to crack the egg.
Okay, you're gonna crack one. So I will go first. Open it. All right. Let me take this. Wait, baby. Let me mark it. So the first thing we're going to do, we have 3/4 cups of flour here. And we have cocoa powder. And here we have salt and baking powder. You want to pour it in? Let me hold this for you. Pour it in. I'm going to take it gently and we're going to mix it in. Here we have 3 eggs. We're going to add it to the bowl. Three-quarter cups of oil. Half cup brown sugar. Half cup white sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla.
Mommy, I can
Good job. Now we're just gonna mix it in on low. Yes.
To be my baby and do baby and live by me.
Okay. So now, can I borrow the whisk? So now, help me to scoop this in. Now we're going to add the dry mixture to the wick, and we're not going to add it all at once. So let's add about half of it and stir it in.
You do it. You do it.
Okay. Let's see if you're going to turn it in. I'll go after. That's okay. Stevie's gonna scoop it in for me and Alba mix it well. Wow, it looks so nice. Alright, hold on to the spoon for me, Stevie, because we're gonna spoon it in now. Thank you, Alba. Can I come over here to help you? Yes?
No.
Alright, let's spoon it in. And here I have parchment paper in the baking tray, and you want to make sure you line the baking tray with the parchment paper. That way it's easy. You want the spoon? Okay, that's okay. Let's get it out.
Yummy.
Now we have the brownie batter finished and ready to go in the oven, and we will be baking it at 350 for 25 minutes. So here you go, guys. The brownie is all done.
It's baby art. Baby, don't touch it.
Yes.
Baby art. And want to touch it.
Yes. So we're going to let the brownie cool. It's going to cool for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to get into it. All right?
And don't want to touch it with it. And it will. Touch it.
So while it's hot, I'm going to slice the brownies in small cubes and let it cool for 15 minutes.
Let's taste it.
How is it?
Yummy.
Thanks for